Yeah, I'm recording.
Oh man, dude, I gotta drive home. No. Holy shit, dude, I'm fucking soaking wet right now.
Dude, you forgot to take your shirt off.
I don't know, I just fucking jumped in, dude. Like, I wanted to do a flip, but there was little lights inside the fucking thing. Oh man. Oh, dude, I don't even have any clean clothes. Like, oh, dude, I want to wear this shit to work today.
Oh, dude. Jimbo? What's up? What you doing? Oh. You better hurry up, dude. I'm like soaking wet, dude. Cause I need the bathroom. Like, I'm drenched. Yeah, dude, I'm completely drenched.
What the fuck? Is it raining?
Yeah. Yeah, see?
Whatever, dude. I don't even fucking care anymore.
If he puts a lock on that door, I'm gonna take a fucking chainsaw and chainsaw the whole fucking door. That's if he puts a lock on the door. Oh, it's so cold.
Oh, dude.
My bad, dude.